Hi guys, and welcome back to Janine's Kitchen. We got a good one today. A few people requested it and I finally got to it. It's going to be a grilled shrimp over a salad with a little bit of an Asian twist. So we got the pan heating up. Let's get ready with no more talking. Today I'm going to focus on this because it's a new recipe for me. I'm going to use avocado oil because it has a high heat point and it's got no flavor, and we got a lot of stuff going on elsewhere. We have my famous peeled, deveined, clean shrimp 2025 by Kirkland at Costco. We're going to season them lightly with a little bit of garlic powder because that's in the dressing, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Okay, and that's all she needs. Let's see how hot the pan is and get them in there. They're defrosted. Okay, good. They cook very quick, shrimp. I'm going to be non-delicato and just season them around a bit, mix it, and I'm going to get them in here. And then you could separate them out like that, okay? They're about 2 minutes on each side, actually maybe a minute and a half. Okay. It's got a nice sizzle. We don't want this pan to get too hot. In the past, when I've been cooking on it, it's given me a little bit of an issue. So we'll see. Let's move it a bit. Sometimes turning it. Okay, while those are cooking, like I said, they cook rather quick, and this is a fast recipe, so we'll get right to it. I'm using today, I'm cheating a little bit here and there, but I'm doing some fresh too if you like. This is a honey ginger salad kit. It comes with the sauce. We're not going to use their sauce. You can if you want to. It's really about grilling up some fresh shrimp on top of any salad you prefer, but when I saw this, has everything. We're going to put that aside. Oh, what is that? You may want to use parts. You never know. But I like to do it this way because it's beautiful. Has a little bit of everything. That's why I'm using the pre-made kit, because by the time I go out and get all those greens and chop that cabbage, it's going to be like, you know, taking too much time. This is supposed to be quick. Okay, see? Look, our shrimp are ready. Let's turn them. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. I love these Kirkland shrimp, guys. You know I talk about them often. When I do all my seafood dishes, this is what I use. And you could get the organic brand. You can always use fresh. My ideas are just suggestions. I know a lot of people love their organic wild caught, but they do have wild caught and frozen because all shrimp are frozen. They go from boat to freezer, whether they're wild caught or farmed. So good to know. Look at that, beautiful. We'll give them another minute or two on this side. You'll know when they start to curl fully. I do like mine a little bit more. I've said that in the past as well, because I don't like biting into a shrimp that's translucent. That's why it's important, let them defrost under cool water when you take them out. You know I gotta fuss with my... Let them cook a minute longer. I'm going to take them out. Okay. Let me just show you here now. Okay, what I did do is I made a fresh Asian salad dressing with all these wonderful things in it. It's a soy sauce, rice wine, ginger, soy sauce, garlic powder in the back, some honey. I will link the recipe in with the directions for the recipe. I'll link the dressing for you so you know exactly how it's made if you choose to make it. Okay, it's delicious. It's got fresh sesame seeds in there. And let me show you another thing. I bought these and been keeping them on hand because I mentioned to you guys we're going to be making a lot of recipes with this. So it's worth getting the whole bag because now I've already seen I got another use for it. Let me get a plate to take these out because I don't want to put them from really hot to the salad. So let me just grab a little bowl over here. Okay, these are looking good. Give them another second. You know I'm crazy. Okay, they're curling up good. We'll take them out as they look good to me. Okay, I gotta give them another minute. I do. So I'm enjoying the channel. All the new subscribers, hello again, and welcome to the newbies and the oldies and the people that have stayed with me. I love yous all. Having a lot of fun. Thinking up some great recipes for you guys, and in between when I'm not cooking, Thank you for looking at my shorts and looking at, I've just learned, and bear with me if I get a little overkill on the community tab. I went out to dinner with hubby last night and I was having a really good time. I posted everything I ate and drank. I had a martini, I posted it. I had mussels with white sauce, I posted it. Hey, let me know if you'd like to see me do that, because that's one of my favorite dishes and I love to make mussels. I do marinara and I do the white wine butter sauce. Comment. Everybody's been wonderful talking to me on the page. I love that. Hi, my chatty Diana. Love ya. Jean, where are you hiding? I miss you. Okay, see this? You want to get that little bit of golden on it. So I'm glad we waited the extra minute. That's how I enjoy them. If you want them out a minute sooner, do it. No worries. You're not going to hurt nobody. It's your shrimp. It's your salad. Okay? See, to get a little bit more flavor. Look at that. You wouldn't think the shrimp, I wouldn't think the shrimp would generate that little brown yummies. But they do, just like everything else. Now, guys, this salad is also a perfect example of what my last recipe of the salmon. Let me just put this here a second. I'm going to have to cool them a minute. 1 second. I'm going to shut this off. Okay, I got to unplug this always. I don't know why. We don't know why.
You like that cool down.
Yeah, Vinny's always, I'm sorry, cameraman. I always get yelled at in the kitchen here. Just want to push that. Okay, well, it makes noise. Okay, here we go. Let's put some shrimp on this salad and not take anybody's extra time. Let's bowl it. Let's bowl it and taste it. Sometimes I forget the simple recipes to taste them. And I know you enjoy seeing that. Or at least I hope you enjoy seeing that. We're going to mix it here. Okay, let's do that. This way, if you didn't want to use up all your shrimp, you don't have to. Okay. Because I don't know if Vinny's going to have some of this, and we don't want to overkill on our dressing. I do tend to like a little extra. I do, not going to lie. Okay. Smells good. This is the first time I'm making this dressing, so I'm going to be having a nice treat as well. But I like all the components. It sounds delicious. Who doesn't like, you know, good olive oil, soy sauce, sesame seeds? The rice wine vinegar replaces white vinegar or red vinegar. Mix it a good mix. Okay. Let's plate some of this up. Oh. I'm always trying to be so delicate. I don't know why. This is a real kitchen, a real home cook. I'm not at a restaurant. I got to get comfortable with that idea. Okay, let's move our big bowl aside. Okay, moment of taste and truth. I love shrimp. I think I've said that to everybody on camera, off camera. I just love them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do 3 for now because I'm going to cut it. And I can taste it in a smaller bite because I know those are pretty hot. So let's do this. Okay, let's get a nice see. Show you the shrimp. It's nice and cooked inside. That's beautifully cooked. For once, I didn't overcook my shrimp. I tend to like them like that. Let's get some of this cabbage. Alrighty. Guys, not because I cooked it, not because I love shrimp. This is rocking. This is rocking. I feel like I'm in a Thai restaurant. That's why I might put in a little book here for inspiration and color. But this is delicious. There's no other way to say it. This is really, really good. What a great salad. And I'm doing a little bit low-cal this week. I'm not going to lie. I'm doing a little low-cal. I'm going to do some good stuff. I have to have another bite because it's that good, my guys. That good. And the sesame seeds in the dressing is wonderful. The minute that soy sauce hits your tongue and your palate, you've gone to another place, and you know what I'm saying. This is delicious Asian dressing. It made everything come alive. The salad's crunchy, delicious. And if you want it, like I said, you could use components of it. I think that's candied ginger in here. You could absolutely add it. You could try their dressing on another salad, maybe some shaved up romaine with these chips and play. Nothing will go to waste here, and I hope not at your house. Till the next recipe, guys, I love all my subscribers, to everyone for supporting me and watching me. I'll see you in the next video. It's going to be good.